Hi guys, welcome to Aao Baatein Kare, Pooja here. Let's see, this is your weekly read. Let's see what's in store for us between 29th of November till the 5th of December. Okay? So if you have not checked your earlier weekly read, I have started it from about a month or so. So please go and check out all the earlier videos also. And also I have a separate video for new moon in Scorpio and the lunar eclipse in Taurus. So please go and check it out as there's a new eclipse and solar season starts between Taurus and Scorpio. Okay, and more details about that I have already put on the Taurus lunar eclipse video. And let's see. And guys, if you are interested in a private read, you want more clarity, so you all can anytime book a private read. All links are in the tap link in the description box, and you can also follow Aao Baatein Kare on FB, Instagram, and all the other platforms. I am also a podcaster, so you can find Aao Baatein Kare podcast on many platforms from Amazon Music, Spotify, Ghana, Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, and many more. Okay, and at present there are about 44 countries, listeners from all these countries. Thank you so much uh, for Aao Baatein Kare podcast. So there's just one link, and in that all the platforms are there. So just if you don't want to miss out, if you don't want to, I also do tarot live. So if you want to be part of all these things, you should 100% follow my Instagram and FB. Okay, and very soon I'll be doing lives on YouTube also. So there is so much work and reading and all that I cannot go on all the platforms. So let's see. First I will what's in store for us between 29th November till 5th December. Conditioning, understanding, beautiful. Some of us or some of you guys are feeling as if you all are caged, as if you all are stuck. This is not a time for stuckness. This is a time, this is not what do you say, some it is not a time, it is a time where you are being conditioned. Okay, it is a time for preparation. So it is not something as if it's not time for suffering. It is not a time for suffering. It is a time to prepare, so that if you go in the war unprepared, you are 100% going to lose. So this conditioning time, this preparation time is very important to even run a marathon. So this, your body, your muscles, your mind, all have to be conditioned for the new dream, the new life that you're preparing for. And you have already started this journey when you decided to take the first step, when you declare to the universe, yes, this is what I want. So when you are pushed out of your comfort zone, you feel uncomfortable. It is part and parcel, but that doesn't mean that you are not going to succeed. That if you are feeling uncomfortable means you are on the right track, because first and foremost, you have moved out of your comfort zone. You're pushing your limits. So after this, after pushing your limits, after taking this decision, you are going to expand your horizons. Okay, so let's see what else is in store for us. It is not a punishment. The word I was trying to remember is punishment. It's a conditioning. It's preparation, not punishment. It's preparation. So let's see what's in store for the collective. Yup. Okay. Some of you all are in this phase, a phase of disappointment, phase of money getting stuck. And after working a long time, a lot of time, you all are still not seeing the exact results that you should be seeing. You are still, there is some disappointment. You are still worried कि इतनी मेहनत के बाद भी मुझे क्यों नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. Well, there is, you, as they have said, there is conditioning time. You have to make more choices, you have to move ahead. So this is your time to think and start making good choices, start working on your gut. For this you will need time to work on your gut, to go for meditation, to have more clarity in life. The more better, clearer choices you make, more forward you are going to go. And even if some choices is wrong, you are only going to learn. So maybe it's time to think outside the box. This is, take a hangman approach. Maybe somebody is going to join you very soon in this journey. So when this fool is a person who has taken a risk and begun a new journey. So this is, you have already started a new journey, and your end goal is to become the emperor of your new business, emperor of your life, emperor of yourself, or the queen of your life or your business or your situation. So this is something which takes time. It is something which is outside your comfort zone, and it is something which you have asked, you are doing outside the box. So go through the journey. Everything what is happening is part of the journey. And all those who are watching this video, first and foremost, we have all survived by the grace of God a pandemic. That is something so beautiful and so grateful. We should be grateful for each day of our lives, and we should be grateful, and there should be appreciation for each and every day, because very few or many of us could not survive. So we are the survivors, or what do you say, survived lot. So we are in this life, in this journey, to do something more than just eating food, sleeping, watching TV or OTT platforms, or paying the bills, right? So let's see what is the guidance from the universe. Phoenix. From the ashes, when you rise up like a phoenix. So it is time, as I said, you have already taken the leap of faith. The worst is behind you, and the more you go ahead in your journey, the more choices you make, whether they are right or wrong, you will become more confident of your intuitions, of your attitude to making choices. Okay, and you have earned all your stripes. Wherever you are now in life, you have earned it. You deserve the appreciation. So try and take some time to appreciate yourself also, and thank your body and soul for being with you in all this journey. Don't be afraid to sing. So appreciate your life, appreciate your journey, and give yourself full credit. The more you appreciate yourself, the same vibe you give others for an energy to start appreciating you. So guys, you all have come a long way. Kudos to that. And I hope you all have a beautiful week ahead. Till I see you again with another video. Maybe we'll meet on my FB live, maybe on my Instagram, because I do pendulum lives, or I put up lot of posts or general reads on my Instagram also. So wherever you find most comfortable, we'll meet up. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.